So trying to install these struts on the Mazda 3, and right here I have them set up. So it looks like the only way it's gonna be is to put this one down here, and then I have to get this nut right behind through here into that, and then just add this piece there, and that should do it. And then it just snaps in according to that. I did look into this because some pictures that I saw they only had them here, but doesn't look like that's correct because this is a bigger bolt than these, which is this one right here. But the other way to get it on there is to have that on the strut, and then the other one on here, and looks pretty much all you can do, and that goes for both sides. So we'll try that.